And let's now move on and shift our focus to another important update that has taken place today. And this is about commercial LPG cylinder. Now, even that has become expensive in the country because of the ongoing war in West Asia. The oil marketing companies have increased the prices of commercial LPG cylinders. And this is going to impact our kitchen as well, as far as the fuel prices are concerned. The price of a 19 kg commercial LPG cylinder, in fact, has been increased by 195 rupees and 50 paisa, taking the rate in Delhi from 1883 rupees, on March 7 to 2078 rupees and 50 paisa today, which is an increase of about 10.4%. So in kitchens, LPG cylinder, is also going to cost you more. But this, viewers, is commercial LPG cylinder that we are talking about. So eating out may cost you more. Maybe not cooking food at home, but eating outside, because this is commercial LPG cylinder prices that we are talking about that have increased in different parts of the country. Let's go across to my colleague Shivam, joining us live right now for more on this. Shivam, so simply put, it's best that people, eat at home, because eating outside is going to be expensive now.
Exactly, Nanette. Again, it was on the expected line, especially the kind of scenarios that were coming out for almost a month now. We have seen how last month on 7th of March, there was a revision in rates of both domestic as well as commercial cylinders. For now, there has been an increase of, as you rightly mentioned, 195 rupees 50 paisa in the commercial cylinders, LPG cylinder, which is 19 kg, which has taken the rate to over 2078 rupees in Delhi. But cities like Bangalore or Kolkata are also seeing the rate coming to over 2200 rupees as well. So yes, eateries, hotels, restaurants, big hostels, those who are acquiring those commercial cylinders will bear the brunt of this excess money, and then eventually it will pass on to the purse and the pocket of the common people as well. We have also recently seen how the government also increased the quota to 70% of the commercial LPG to be supplied to these people, to these particular organizations or restaurants. But again, the increase in price will also adversely affect eventually the common people who are going out, who are going to the restaurants, who are going to the hostels to eventually eat out as well. So for now, like the way government maintained it during the time of excise policy, that the common people will not fear that we will not get the direct impact of all the increase in price. The domestic price of the LPG cylinder has not been touched. It has been left untouched. The last price was revised on March 7. For now, the domestic price of the cylinder has not been increased, but again, commercial cylinders going to the restaurants, going to the eateries, we have seen various reportages on Times Network coming in all across the nation, how there was shortage of LPG, and the increased rate was also making it adverse for the people to start certain cuisines, to start certain gravy items that require more heating. So again, it will be seen how the price rates or the menu will increase in the upcoming days as of now.
Right. Shivam, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with those details. So, viewers, the price of a 19 kg commercial LPG cylinder has been hiked by 195 rupees and 50 paisa, taking the rate in Delhi from 1883 rupees. That was the case on 7th of March to 2078 and 50 paisa today, which is a 10.4% increase. Commercial LPG cylinder, viewers, is widely used by hotels, hostels, restaurants, and this is the second price hike that we have seen coming in less than a month. Earlier, on 7th of March, the price of 19 kg LPG cylinder was increased by 114 rupees and 50 paisa in Delhi. And at that time, the price of domestic cooking gas, 14.2 kg cylinder prices were also increased by 60 rupees across the country. And that pushed the retail price in Delhi of that cylinder to 913 rupees. But this time, for domestic LPG cylinder, there has been no increase in prices. Take a look at this report.
केंद्र सरकार ने आज से एलपीजी कमर्शियल जो सिलेंडर है उनके दामों में इजाफा कर दिया है। करीब दिल्ली में अगर बात करें तो 195 रुपए महंगा हो चुका है कमर्शियल एलपीजी सिलेंडर। फिलहाल इस वक्त हम एक गोडाउन में मौजूद है, आपको हम दिखाते हैं कि किस तरह से यहां पर तमाम 19 किलो का जो कमर्शियल एलपीजी सिलेंडर होता है वो महंगा हो चुका है। 195 रुपए महंगा हुआ है। अगर देश की बात करें तो 218 रुपए तक बढ़ोतरी जो है की गई है और आज से नई दरें जो है वो लागू कर दी गई। आप देख सकते हैं कि 19 किलो का भी कमर्शियल एलपीजी सिलेंडर है, 5 किलो का भी जो कमर्शियल एलपीजी सिलेंडर है वो है मौजूद इस वक्त यहां पर गैस गोडाउन में। अगर बात करें तो आम जनता के जेब पर इसका साफ असर पड़ेगा, क्योंकि रेस्टोरेंट और होटल में कमर्शियल एलपीजी सिलेंडर के दाम बढ़ने के बाद खाना जो है वो महंगा हो सकता है। अभी हम आपको दिखाते हैं, एक ट्रक जो है वो यहां पर पहुंचा हुआ है गोडाउन में, तमाम सिलेंडर्स जो हैं वो यहां पर पहुंच रहे हैं। लेकिन कितना फर्क पड़ा है पिछले कुछ दिनों में कमर्शियल को लेकर, काफी ज्यादा लोग परेशान भी नजर आ रहे थे, खासतौर पे जो रेस्टोरेंट मालिक हैं, जो अपना होटल चलाते हैं, दुकान चलाते हैं। अभी कैसा सप्लाई है और आज से कितना रेट बढ़ गया दिल्ली में?
195 रुपया बढ़ा हुआ है और कॉमर्शियल बीच में कम आ रहे थे, लेकिन ऐसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। 5 किलो भी है हमारे पास और ये 2 किलो के आने लगे है। बीच में थोड़ा 1-2 हफ्ते प्रॉब्लम हुई थी, लेकिन हमारा 5 किलो ये 2 किलो का भी आने लग गया, वो भी आना है। और छोटे वाले सिलेंडर की कोई कमी नहीं है सरकार।
अभी सप्लाई कैसा है?
सप्लाई ठीक है, छोटे सिलेंडर की कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। सरकार जनता को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मतलब जो कस्टमर हमारे हैं ये कॉमर्शियल की।
कुछ बताना चाहेंगे कि ईस्ट दिल्ली का गोडाउन है जहां पर ये तमाम सिलेंडर्स आपको नजर आ रहे होंगे और यहाँ के लोगों को किसी तरह की कोई परेशानी नहीं हो रही है। फिलहाल अगर बात करें दिल्ली की, तो जो पहले कमर्शियल एलपीजी सिलेंडर 1884 रुपए 50 पैसे का मिलता था, अब वो 2078 रुपए 50 पैसे का मिलेगा। आप ये तस्वीर देख सकते हैं, किस तरह से बाहर की तस्वीर हम दिखाते हैं आपको कि अब गोडाउन पर 5 किलो 2 किलो का भी ये जो एलपीजी कमर्शियल सिलेंडर्स हैं वो पहुंचने लगे हैं, ताकि सप्लाई में कोई दिक्कत ना हो। पीछे से अगर बात की जाए, सरकार की तरफ से किसी भी चीज की कमी नहीं है, गोडाउन के जो इंचार्ज है उनका ये कहना है। तो इस तरह की तस्वीर इस वक्त अगर हम बात करें तो गोडाउन में नजर आ रही है, जहां पर तमाम सिलेंडर्स जो है वो तो पहुंच रहे, चाहे वो एलपीजी हो, कमर्शियल एलपीजी सिलेंडर हो। लेकिन आज से नई दरें जो है वो लागू कर दी गई। 195 रुपए महंगा हो चुका है कमर्शियल एलपीजी सिलेंडर, यानी कि अब खाने पीने की चीजें जो हमें होटल और रेस्टोरेंट में मिलती हैं वो जरूर महंगी होती हुई नजर आएंगी। फिलहाल अगर बात करें तो 2078 रुपए 50 पैसे जो है अब 19 किलो का जो कमर्शियल एलपीजी सिलेंडर है वो बाजार में उपलब्ध होगा। कैमरा पर्सन सुजीत के साथ भावना किशोर, टाइम्स फॉर भारत के लिए।
So you saw that report how eating out is now set to get expensive because there has been at least a 10% hike in the prices of commercial LPG cylinders because of the ongoing war in West Asia. We will slip into a short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.